Ziggy in the house while the choir sing Ave Maria. I was singing with all my heart, and I said a special prayer up to heaven that you'll return to me before I fall apart. While the choir sang hallelujah, I was singing with all my heart. Darling, please come back and never leave me again. And this will be the answer to my prayer. And I'll wait here for the answer that you'll come back right away. For if you stay away another hour, I don't think I can last another day. While the choir sang hallelujah, I was singing with all my heart. Darling, please come back and never leave me again. And this will be the answer to my prayer.